varsity cheerleader and a part of the class of 2021. Today, I am here to help you navigate through the various platforms to become a successful Seminole student. The first step will be to open your internet browser and go to website.bcsdk12.net. Now, scroll down until you see Classlink on the right side of the screen. Click here. Once you're on the Classlink homepage, you will log in using the following information. For username, type your first name, then a period, then your last name, then the last 2 digits of your graduation year. If you are a freshman, this number will be 24, sophomore 23, junior 22, and senior 21. Now, for password. Hit the caps lock button, then type your first initial, then your last initial, then your lunch number, then an exclamation point. Click sign in. Now you're at the central hub of all the apps you will need throughout the school year. First, let's take a look at Campus Portal. This is where you can see your schedule, grades, and a lot of other personal information. To log in, you will need to use the following information. For username, type your lunch number. For password, make sure you have cap locks off, then type your first initial, then your last initial, then your 6-digit birthday. Click sign in. Now you can explore the different information found in Campus Portal. Now, let's go back to the Classlink Hub to check out Canvas. Canvas will be the central location for lessons, coursework, and assignment submissions during virtual learning. You don't have to log into Canvas. It will automatically take you to your dashboard once you click the icon. On your dashboard, you will see all of your classes and be able to navigate all of your assignments and activities. Pretty cool, huh? Finally, let's take a look at Office 365 where we can access our school email, Microsoft Teams, and the Office suite of Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and more. If it requires you to log in, you will just need to type your Classlink login information again. For username, type your first name, then a period, then your last name, then the last 2 digits of your graduation year. If you are a freshman, this number will be 24, sophomore 23, junior 22, senior 21. Now, for password. Hit the caps lock button, then type your first initial, then your last initial, then your lunch number, then an exclamation point. Click sign in. Now you have access to all these awesome programs, but let's take a special look at Teams. When you're in Teams, click on the class you want to go to. Then you will see several tabs you can click on. Your teacher will advise you as to when you need to check Teams, but Canvas will be where you go on the first day of school. I hope this helped you. Feel free to play this video as many times as you need until you have it down pat. Peachy, signing off.